Do you ever get that gut feeling about someone but ignore it? Feel tension in your body but push through anyway? Hi, I am Agota Sipos and I am here to help you start listening to those signals again. I'm not an intimacy coordinator. I work with everyday people, not film sets. What I do is help you decode the constant conversation your body is having with you. As an empath, I have learned that our bodies hold incredible wisdom. The problem? We have been taught to ignore it. Here you will discover how to reconnect with your inner guidance and live more authentically. Subscribe for weekly insights. Your body will thank you.